Hope you all are doing well. So in this video we will discuss some parts of class 10 chapter physics, that is magnetic effects of electric current. So let's begin. Magnet. What is magnet? A magnet is a material that produces a field that attracts or repels other such materials of magnetic nature. It's a naturally occurring magnet. It attracts materials like iron, nickel, cobalt, etc. Magnetic field lines. Magnetic field lines result in the formation of continuous running closed loops. The tangent to the field line at any given points indicates the direction of a total magnetic field at that point. The greater the number of field lines crossing per unit area, the higher the intensity, the stronger the magnitude of the magnetic field. There is no intersections between the magnet field lines. So you can see the diagram of magnetic needle. So magnetic field produced by straight conductor. Characteristics. Magnetic lines are concentric circles. The direction of magnetic lines reverses as we reverse the direction of the current. When the current flows upwards, the direction of the magnetic lines is anti-clockwise. When the current flows downwards, the direction of magnetic lines is clockwise. The magnetic field produced is directly proportional to the current and inversely proportional to the distance from the conductor. To know the direction of magnetic field around a straight conductor, we have different sets of rules as given below. So here you can see the diagram. Now, right hand thumb rule. What is it? Suppose we have a grass of conductor in your right hand such that the thumb points in the direction of the current, then the direction in which your fingers curl gives direction of the magnetic field. Here you can see the diagram of right hand thumb. So now let's see the magnetic field produced due to circular loop. The magnetic field produced around a circular loop is also circular. As we move away from the loop, the concentric circles become bigger at the center. Magnetic lines are parallel. Now, let's see the characteristics. Magnetic lines are circular at the point from where the current enters or leaves the coil. Within the space enclosed by this coil, the field lines are in the same direction near the center of the coil. The magnetic lines are almost parallel to each other. At the center of the coil, the plane of the magnetic field lines is at right angle to the plane of circular coil. Magnetic field is produced directly proportional to the current and inversely proportional to the distance from the conductor. The part where the magnetic lines enter the coil facing us is considered as the south pole and the other is north pole. Current flowing clockwise is called south and current flowing anti-clockwise is called north. So you can see the diagram here. Now, magnetic field produced due to solenoid. So, it is a long coil containing a large number of turns of copper wire. When it is connected to a battery and current is passed through it, it also produced a magnetic field which is similar to the magnetic field produced around a bar magnet. One side of the solenoid acts at the north pole, other as the south pole. So you can see the diagram here. Now, Let's do one question here. Choose the incorrect option statement. So I request whoever knows the answer of this question, comment me the answer in comment box. So thank you everyone. Hope you like this video. Like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you everyone. Bye. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.